guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna talk about Markdown, Chanel's Markdown sale. So Markdown is like 40% off of the regular items price. So it's a really good deal. You can't get any sale for Chanel, right? But there's like 2 times in a year Chanel has a markdown sale for public, also for VIP. So VIP have early access like few days ago, normally like 2-3 days ago. VIP have early access to the items. The items on sale is ready to wear and shoes, accessory. So I was checking with my essay which collection will be on sale. I was asking. So usually it's a year ago items. You will see 2020 cruise collection this time on markdown sale, and I will show you the date for the public. It's coming few days later. So I'll try to upload today since I went to the VIP sale today. So you're gonna see my shopping vlog. I gonna try on a lot of like ready to wear clothes. So it is like open to VIP customer first. So you get better option before everyone take good one. There will be more size. There will be more like option, color, size. I just came back from VIP sale. It was like really nice because they have a like kind of secret room. So it's like closed with a kind of some like door, and I sneak in to the secret room and they show me the whole collection, whatever they have. Yeah, which was a 2020 cruise collection. So I could see all the cruise collection, whatever leftover from last year. Yeah, the stock they still have. Yeah, so it might be not the right color or style, maybe not popular one might be left. You might see a lot of a little bit unique style, pretty much. Yeah, but still I could get the one I like. Like there are like a good one to get, so I got some. I will do unboxing haul next time. I couldn't take picture of inside the room because I was with my essay, just 101. So she was right next to me whole time when I'm choosing, like trying to try on some clothes. It was really like exclusive. Only you and your essay and maybe one helper will be there, and 3 of you are the only one in the room. Nobody gonna bother you, nobody gonna grab. So you don't need to rush, you just take time. So I was there like for 2 hours to choose, try it on like one by one till I'm done. Nobody coming. So I was having like 2 hours my private shopping there. So I really enjoyed. This is like amazing. Yeah. So yeah, but public sale is coming. So public sale is next Tuesday, which is 2021 May 25th Tuesday. So it's gonna be open to public. So if you go like early, get in line, you're gonna get chance. Yeah, it's gonna be open to public, as I know. But it might be different up to country and branch. Where I go was Costa Mesa, yeah, in Los Angeles. I guess it can be pretty much same, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I will talk about for next time maybe how you can get in as a VIP. Yeah, you can really try. I will tell you the tip when I do unboxing later. Yeah, but let's go shopping with me.
Hi guys, I came to Costa Mesa branch. I was invited to markdown sale for VIP, so let's check it out together. I'm gonna try on all these clothes. This is the fitting room inside the VIP room. So guess which one I chose and got it. This t-shirt dress is so silky and very light, perfect for summer. I like this quilted jacket. There's like denim patch here and there. It's like it looks so young and chic, but the size was so big. Oh my god, this was so cute. This is tweed jumpsuit. Love this all the color. This look is one of my favorite. See the skirt, same tweed, but skirt is kind of cuter. And the t-shirt is perfectly matching. I love this yellow denim jean, but it was too big. And the top was also big, but I love this stripe. This red striped cardigan. I love this red color. I love the flower decoration of this white top, perfectly matching with this pink denim. This is really feminine style. You can match with any like shorts. Okay, this is my favorite style. See the pink striped top with a puff sleeve and the white denim. Oh my god, there is a short pants as a set. I love this white sweatshirt. It's so casual, you can match with any kind of outfit. Oh my god, see this outfit? Perfectly matching. The pink denim pants with this white top. This stripe, oh, the color is amazing. I love this denim jacket with a frill detail. It's very unique. You remember there was a set? This one is like just dress. Really cute dress. Perfect for summer. I love this coral color denim pants. It looks like red on the picture, but it is coral color. And this white top with a silver decoration. It's so fancy. With the same coral color jean, I match with the striped white top. This top is so versatile. I think I can match with anything. This three-piece is like not as a set, but it looks like totally set, right? It really matches well all together. This leather jacket is so soft. This long coat is so feminine. See the waistline? It's like so, it looks so slim. I love this kind of line, but it's kind of too long for me. Oh my god, see this white dress, this eyelet dress is so silky. Oh my god, perfect for summer. I love this CC logo as well. This red dress is like perfect for summer. The color and the pattern, it's so feminine and it's also very comfortable. Do you remember there was same pattern and color jacket? This one is more like casual look because it's dress. I was trying shoes and accessories as well. This bracelet, I like it, but it was a little bit big for me. But this one pretty much fit well. So there were not many options for my size. I love this sandal, but this is so high. This one was pretty good. Which one might be better? The red color or white color? How about this sandal? I love the imitation pearl detail. It's so feminine. There's another color. Now I'm done with the private shopping and this is like a common area. I was just checking everything outside. I love this carrier. There are a little bit of change of displayed items. Oh my god, see this pink sandal? Color is amazing.
Also, don't forget, the new season items will be released next month. So I got the date, launching date for the new season items. It's June 8th, Tuesday. So I'm talking about Costa Mesa in Los Angeles area, but I'm not sure other area might be same or not. But pretty much it might be pretty much same, I guess. So yeah, new season items will be released June 8th, Tuesday. So hope you guys can get the new item on the right day. And yeah, Hope you enjoyed my video today. To find the item you might get from the markdown sale, which is coming soon, stay tuned. And I'm gonna do unboxing of the markdown items I got from VIP private sale. Wait for it and see you soon. Bye.